Good day, my friend. On this video I will show you the Leaf Blower Stihl BG56. This is a great machine if you've got a garden full of leaves, or if you've got like quite a nice property, that will help you quite a bit. I will give you the engine side and stuff like that on the video, so like that you will see that, and I will show you right now the machine, and later I will show you how it works. So what I like is that the on and off button, what I like is that it always stays on. What it means that when you want to stop it, you press it, and then it goes automatically to on. So later to start it, it makes it easier. What else we have? We have the accelerator here. Here we've got the pump. In case there's no fuel, you pump it until there's fuel inside. Here we've got the air filter that we can clean. Here we've got the starter. It's got two modes. Okay, we put it on full if, for instance, it's cold, stuff like that. Once the engine starts coughing, we can place it on a second one, and then when the engine starts running, we accelerate and it goes automatically to its normal position. Fuel and start. You see, this one is the 56 only. Basically, there's no easy start. If you've got the 56C, there will be an easy start on the machine. So basically that's the model as it is. I would recommend you, if you want to use it, to have something to protect your ears, because usually we don't use it for 5 minutes, usually we use it for quite a while. Glasses would be nice, or if you got that kind of helmet that can have the stuff for the ears, and a visor if you want to. Okay. For the gasoline, it's exactly the same as the one for chainsaw or brush cutters. We do our mix, we place it in, and that's it. So let's start it now. As you have noticed, it starts very well, so obviously in winter that might be a bit more difficult, because obviously of the cold weather, but it will be quite easy to start anyway, just that it will take a bit longer. Now we'll show you on performance on different type of soil. Okay, I won't be able to show you with leaves because we're out of seasons. Okay, so let's go now. As you have seen, it cleaned quite well, okay, but it blow a lot of stuff as well, so that's why it's important to have the glasses. Okay, now we're gonna go on the soil like that, with a lot of small stones, and we'll see how it performs. As you can see, the land is very nice here, and this has moved all those little stones on one side. So that's a very nice, powerful machine. Now, what we need to do to take care of that machine? Well, really not much. We will clean the air filter that's here. As you say, we do a quarter turn, we remove this, we have access to the air filter here, we just pull it out. You can clean it with, if you got a compressor, you can clean it. If it gets really dirty, you will know anyway because the machine won't start. So you can get those at the dealership at very, very low cost. It doesn't cost much. So that's it. Once it's clean, then you fit it back. Never run the machine without the air filter because you will damage your engine. Okay. Now this is a machine as well that we use on certain times of the year, usually when the leaves fall, stuff like that. So it's a machine that we'll use normally very little a year. So what I would advise you to do is to empty the deposit and the little bit of gasoline that stays in the machine. I would advise you to start the machine and let it run until there's no more. Why? Because over time the gasoline loses its property, it evaporates a little bit, which will be left with the oil, which later will create problems with the carburetor, stuff like that. So to avoid problems, empty it, run the machine dry, and then you'll be okay. When you want to start it, it'll start perfectly. Okay? So that's about it about that machine. I hope that you have liked the video. If you want to see more stuff about Stihl machine, you can watch that video, or you can see my channel where you see a lot more videos. Okay, take care of yourself. Ciao.